Well, welcome back to Winterhunter episode 9. It's a kind of different video today. A storm has passed by here, and it was wind that was up to 32 to 35 meters per second. So, well, my trash bins, they are out in the field. I'm gonna show you. So, I have one trash bin there, and the other one is actually at the forest. So collect them, and I actually need to go through the whole place because a lot of the forest is actually falling down. You can see tree stumps like that. I mean that's a big old pine, and it's snapped right off, and it's like that everywhere in the forest. So I really need to go check how it looks like and look at the house and stuff like that. So before I actually gonna go away with you to hunt, the plan was to reset some traps, to put them at another spot, and before I can do that I need to check over the place so it's okay, because a lot of stuff has happened here, and well, hopefully the house is okay, but I haven't seen anything yet. A broken window, but I think that's manageable to fix. I'm gonna take you for a walk in the forest, and we'll see how it looks like. I'm coming into the forest. You can see over there, nice fir here that's been slain by the wind. Snapped right off. And also here, I mean, this big fir, I mean, this is a humongous fir. It's really big. I mean, just torn apart. And it's trees everywhere inside. I have some to do. It's actually, this is crazy. There's trees everywhere. Holy crap. I was putting a plastic, like a mark here, to take this tree down because it got a lot of well, it's dead. It's a dead tree, so I was planning to take it as wood and to get rid of pests, because it's a lot of, so it's a small timber beetle in it that's made this tree die. So I was planning to take it down. I mean, it's a good tree. I don't understand it. It had to be some really strong forces here. Hopefully you can hear me when I'm speaking, because it's a little bit windy today. You can see how the tree actually snapped on the middle and just twisted it around and tore it apart. That also, and I need to clear this. So, and I mean, there's a lot of trees here. It's just everywhere. So I need to fix my, what's this? Well, wouldn't you know? You want to know what this is? This was sitting on the barn to tell people that I was having cameras up. Holy snap. So we're heading back to to the house. Well, the barn looks okay. Need to check this tree out as well. But empty snapped. It's crazy. But this one I can actually, if I cut it, I can make lumber of it, roll it up here, have the logosol. But it's so many trees here. Holy crap, roo. Really bad. Some moose cat. Take that one. Oh, bad wind. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna drag the trash bin back to the place, and then I'm gonna look over the place. I mean, this was just only one tree line. There's actually the same over there. So I just walked this little part with you to show you how many trees that was lying in there. I'm going to fix the place a little bit, and then we're off hunting. It's a little windy today. Besides that, it's a really beautiful day. So let's go hunting. So we're closing in on the first marten trap. If there's no marten here, I'm gonna move the trap and bring it with us to the next hunting ground. Wait. No marten. So just gonna take this down and take it with me. So heading on to the next marten trap, number 2. See if we got anything there. No marten in box number 2 either, so I'm gonna take this one with me and put it on another place. I just put the trap there underneath, and hopefully there will be a marten there, but we'll find out next time. I'm going to head out here in that direction. I'm gonna head. There's a forestry road here, so I'm going to take that little road into the where they milled some lumber, and from there I'm gonna take a fika and head back. So I had a Capercaillie. He was sitting underneath the pines over on the other side of the mire, and he was sitting beneath the tree, and I spotted him when I was coming skiing, so I was trying to lay down, but exactly when I was trying to pack everything and do everything right, he took off. So now he's way down there, and I can't, it's too late, and I don't. It was a beautiful scene. If he had been sitting up in a tree or something, it would have made a difference, but now he went in and he's actually sitting in the middle of a tree there, because I saw his wings when he flew up into the tree. So he's sitting there, but I don't know which tree, and I don't, well, it doesn't feel right when it's in this windy conditions and everything. So I'm gonna let him go. Well, didn't get anything today. I had my chance on that Capercaillie, but well, I let him pass. If I had been a little bit more observant, or well, if I had spotted him earlier, I would have taken a shot of him, and he wouldn't have seen me. But now he saw me first, and he had the overhand. So that's what happens in hunting. You can't get him all the time, and this time I let him go. I know where he was sitting after he flew away, but I didn't have the time because the light was going down. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Hopefully we have Marten in the traps. They are relocated, and well, that's about it.